Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your AWeber account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find the HTML embed code for your AWeber sign up form? So let's go ahead and talk about this. Guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find your HTML embed code for your AWeber sign up form anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to gather email addresses from your users, and AWeber allows you to get and create a sign-up form that you can embed onto your website. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your AWeber account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my AWeber account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get the HTML embed code for one of your sign-up forms in AWeber, here on the left side, you want to look for this button right here. It looks kind of like a little file box. Once you do that, you're going to see this drop-down menu, and you want to click here on sign-up forms. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the sign-up forms that you've created in AWeber. You can see I just have this one. And in order to get the HTML embed code, you're going to click right here on publish. Okay, once you do that, you're going to get these two different options. So if you want the HTML embed code, so you're going to install it into your website, you're going to use this orange button right here. If you simply just want the landing page, like a link, a URL, you can use this. So for today, I'm going to click right here. And as you can see, this is the HTML code. So you can embed this into your website. And let me show you what this looks like just in case. Right here, it's just a link. So basically you can just share the link on a text message, on a Facebook post, or something like that. You don't have to install anything. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find the embed code for your email sign-up form that you created in AWeber, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.